Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel Crazicons. Today I am going to show you how to make piping gel for cakes. The ingredients required to make piping gel are 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornflour and 1.5 glass of water. Firstly add 1.5 glass of water into the pan. Then add 6 tablespoons of sugar. Next add 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Mix all the ingredients gently. Now turn on the stove and stir it continuously. Make sure no lumps were formed. Turn off the stove when it turns into a thick jelly. Divide the jelly into two portions and add them to a bowl. Here I am making green and red colored gels. Now add green food color into one bowl, red food color into another. Then mix them gently. Let them cool and add them into the piping bag. Finally, our cake piping gel is ready. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Crazicons.